What's the difference between a lake and a pond? If you enjoy learning about nature, like and subscribe for more fascinating facts. You're taking a summer stroll along a nice trail when you come across a body of water. That's a beautiful lake, you think to yourself. Or, wait, is that a beautiful pond? What's the difference between the two anyway? Guess what? There is no official scientific difference between a lake and a pond. In fact, the only real criterion to categorize something as a lake or pond is that the area in question must be a standing or slow-moving body of water surrounded by land. Attempting to get more specific from there raises some semantic problems. The Geographic Names Information System, or GNIS, which is a US government-sponsored database trying to standardize how we name geographical features, actually defines a lake as a natural body of inland water. But, interestingly, it also includes a bunch of other geographical terms that could also be described as natural bodies of inland water, like pond, backwater, lagoon, oxbow, and tarn. So, naming conventions between lakes and ponds are, well, ultimately kind of arbitrary too. But the generally accepted consensus for the two mostly comes down to size. Bodies of water that are called lakes usually cover larger areas, while ponds tend to be smaller. Limnologists, those are scientists who study freshwater, including lakes and ponds, tend to unofficially make a distinction between the two, and yeah, most of their reasons also involve the unofficial size difference. According to many limnologists, if a water body has rooted plants growing in it, it should be classified as a pond, since it's shallow and small enough to let sunlight reach the bottom, which allows photosynthesis. In contrast, a lake is considered too wide and deep for sunlight to reach its bottom, and is instead unofficially categorized by having a small shoreline that's surrounded by vegetation. There are a few other informal differences too, like temperature. Lakes typically have stratified hot and cold temperatures between different layers of their water during the summer months, while ponds usually have pretty consistent temperatures throughout.